Okay, hi, my name is Wonder Woman. Present B. Vanessa Cortez. My name is Wonder Woman. I am 25 years old and I live in New York. York, studying art and at the University of Modern Arts. I live parents. I live with my parents and my brothers. I have worked three years in my dad's company. I have acted in important films which I have studied for 6 months. I have gone to several Grammys for my papers. I have worked hard to pay for college. I have traveled to different of the world to record movies with my colleagues like Superman, Batman. I have traveled to Mexico several times with my family. I love you, Mexico. Discovering my superpowers, I have traveled in a short time to meet different cultures. I always remember when I won my first Grammy, thanks to the first Wonder Woman movie. I have studied the scripts a lot and I remember when I first went out in the cinema. I have never think it on my work dreams. I don't like it. I have eaten a lot of Mexican food to the point of returning to my family a fond of Mexican food. I have told I have shown later on of being able to start my art gallery and a student to film director. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.